The arithmetic progressions and questions around the arithmetic progressions will follow in the next 3 videos. Right, for point number 1. The arithmetic progression has a formula to calculate the nth term. And the nth term really stands for any term. So it could be in position 1, 2, 3 or even 100. But it will give you the number, the term that will stand at any position. Okay, so the formula is Tn, standing for the term at any number, equals A, right, plus D in brackets n minus 1. This formula you must just simply learn and know. So let's look at it again. Tn stands for a term at any position, to make that clear. So that means at n. Then A always stands for T1. So that's the value for term 1. D we already learned was the common difference, okay, which we calculate by Tn minus 1. So any term minus the previous term. And then N we also already learned stands for the position in which a certain number stands. So that is Tn equals A plus D in brackets n minus 1. That you must just simply know. So if we now look at the first example, they're giving you an arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11, and they ask you to find the 10th term. So point number 1 is, people, you must start with your basic formula. Right, but now you must identify what is given and what is being asked. Right, so if we look at the question, find the 10th term, then that really is T10, isn't it? They ask you to calculate the value that would be at the 10th position. So that's T10, which really represents Tn. So in this case, Tn is known. Then Tn, is asked. So I like to put a question mark there. Tn is asked. Right. Then A stands for the first term. We do have the first term, so A equals 3. Then D stands for the common difference. We do not yet have the common difference, but we calculate that by taking any term, 7, we subtract the previous term, minus 3, equals 4. Or 11 minus 7 also equals 4. Remember, that must be a constant value. And then N stands for the position. So they are asking you to calculate the 10th position. So the value of N is 10. Right, now if you look at your formula, you can actually substitute the A, you can substitute the D, and you can substitute the N. And with that, you can calculate Tn. So I like to start with the whole formula. Tn equals A plus D n minus 1. All right, now Tn is being asked, so Tn will remain the variable, which is Tn equals. Now in the place of A, you will write a 3. Take down the plus. In the right of the place of the common difference, you will write a 4, right? Then open your bracket. Then in the place of the n, you will write a 10, okay, minus 1, bracket down. So I want to show you, people, A is substituted, D is substituted, N is substituted. And the remainder you just simply take down. And if you look at the right hand side now, people, that's really easy. We can just simply calculate that. We have got 10 minus 1, which is 9, times 4, which is 36, plus 3 equals 39. Okay, so again, they give you a sequence. They ask you for the 10th term. I would suggest that you write down your formula, people, and then you first identify what information is given, what information is asked, what information needs to be calculated. Identify all of these, write it out like that, and thereafter you can go and you can substitute your values in the right place. You can simply calculate, and this answer now gives me 39 as an answer. So this is how we would calculate it if a certain term is asked.